Hello students, before we have started lesson number 10, Introduction to Flash CS3. In that we have seen what is the Flash CS3 and we have seen advantages of Flash and we have seen how to start Flash. And again we have seen components of Flash window. In that we have seen title bar, menu bar and many other things. And we have seen working in Flash and how to open a Flash program. Today we are going to learn about creating a graphics in Flash. Okay, so we are going to see creating graphics in Flash. In a Flash, different tools are there. In a Flash document, tools are different, and that tools are there. Some tools are there to draw object. Some tools are there to select the object. So we can draw the object, we can modify the object in Flash. So first we are going to see line tool. Line tool is used to draw straight lines. How to draw lines on the Flash stage, that we are going to see. First, we have to select line tool from tool panel, and then after that from property inspector we can select the color of the line, thickness of the line, and then we can drag and draw the line on the stage. Okay.
First, select the line tool. Then, from the property inspector, select the color and thickness or line style. Then, click on the stage option and drag to draw the line.
Now we are going to see oval tool. Oval tool is used to draw circle or oval shape. Oval tool we can draw on stage. So first we have to select oval tool from tool panel, and then from property inspector we can select color of the oval, thickness of the oval, and then we can draw the oval shape on the stage. How to draw? Let's see.
Select the oval tool and from the property inspector, select property for strokes such as the line style, color and thickness. Select the fill color option and choose the color you want to fill in. Click on the stage option and drag to draw the shape.
Now we are going to see rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is used to draw square and rectangle shape. With rectangle tool we can draw square and rectangle also. So first we can select rectangle tool from tool panel, and then we can go on property inspector, and then you can select from there color of the rectangle. Okay, and then after that you can drag and draw the rectangle shape on the stage. Okay.
Select the rectangle tool and from the property inspector select the stroke and fill attributes. Click on the stage option and drag to draw a rectangle.
Now we are going to see Polystar tool. Polystar tool has many sides. When you will click on rectangle tool, there drop down arrow will be there. So when you will click drop down arrow, there many shapes will come. There Polystar tool will be there. So when you will click Polystar tool, so you can select Polystar tool and you can draw Polystar tool on the stage. First you can select Polystar tool and then you can on property inspector there options will be there. You can select on option there tool options box will open and there you can select the sides of the polygon tool. After selecting you can draw the polygon tool on the stage. Okay.
Select the Polystar tool in the property inspector, change the line color, fill color and thickness of the line. Click on the options button in the property inspector. The tool setting dialog box opens. From the style drop down list, select star or polygon as required. You can choose the number of sides of view polygon or the number of points on the star from 3 to 32. You can also choose the depth of the star points. A number closer to 0 creates deeper points. Click on the OK button to close the tool setting box. Then click and drag on the stage option to draw the shape.
Now we are going to see pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw lines and shapes. So first we have to click pencil tool. First we have to click on pencil tool and then from mode section you can select different modes of pencil. If you want straight line, then you can use straighten. If you want to curve line, then you can use smooth. And if you want to use freehand drawing, then you can use ink. Like that, you can draw lines on the stage. Okay, let's see how to draw.
Select the pencil tool. Select the stroke color, line weight and style in the property inspector. Select a drawing mode under options in the tools panel. Click on the stage option and drag to draw with the pencil tool.
Now we are going to see brush tool. Brush tool is used to draw paints like strokes. First we have to select brush tool from tool panel and then from property inspector we can select fill color option and then there 5 different modes are there. Paint normal, paint fills, paint behind, paint selection, paint inside. Okay, let's see.
Select the brush tool. Select Fill Color in the Property Inspector. Click on the Brush Mode modifier and select a painting mode. From the Property Inspector, you may also change the brush size and brush shape. Select Brush Size and Brush Shape from the Brush Tool modifiers. Click and drag on the Stage option to draw.
Now we are going to see
Paint Bucket Tool. Paint Bucket Tool
is used to fill color enclosed areas. You can select from tool panel and then from property inspector you can select fill color. From tool panel you will get different modes. From there you can select mode. Fill, close gaps, inside gaps, like that some options will be there. From there you can select one option and you can fill color.
Select the Paintbrush tool. Select Fill Color in the Property Inspector. Click the Gap Size modifier. Choose the gap size to be close. Click inside the shape to be color.
Now we are going to see ink bottle tool. Ink bottle tool is used to draw stroke and outline and line colors. First, we can select the ink bottle tool from tool panel and then we can select the thickness and color from property inspector and we can draw and drag on the stage.
Select the ink bottle tool. Select a stroke color, stroke style and thickness in the property inspector. Click on the line to apply the stroke modification. You will observe a change in the style of the line.
Now we are going to see eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase stroke and fills. You can quickly erase everything with using eraser. In that, modes are there that you can erase object with eraser tool. Eraser size also will be there. So with that size you can use eraser tool.
This tool is used to remove strokes and fills. The eraser tool can be either round or square shape. There are different eraser modes available in Flash, such as erase normal, erase fills and erase lines.
Now we are going to see importing to an image. Means how to import image on the stage, that we are going to see from different location. First you have to click on file menu. From file menu many options will be there and import option also will be there. When you will click import option, then import image library. There many options will be there. From where you want to select the image, you can select and after that you can import on the stage. Okay.
Click on File menu button. Go to Import. Select Import to Stage option. Click on the file from where you want to import the image. Double click on the file to import the image on the Flash stage.
Today we have seen different graphics tools in Flash and how to import image on Flash. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.